Hello and welcome to Rallyhood. Today I'm going to be taking you into a rally and demonstrating our special events tab that sits on your navigation bar. I am logged into our demo user account, and starting from your Rallyhood dashboard, we're going to click into a rally. Today I am using our Volunteers of Community 10 rally. Once your rally loads, you can see your navigation bar and locate your special events tab. Click on Special Events. Special Events offers the ability to design and create events with registration and tickets. This can also be accessed from the Calendar tab. Here, event organizers can create, manage, promote, download reports, and set up payment processing via Stripe, which is our payment processor. If you're hosting a robotics workshop with a community partner that requires registration and fee collection, you'll want to set that up as a special event rather than a quick event. The main idea here is to create an event similar to a platform like Eventbrite, but more discoverable to your group and easily shareable through the Rallyhood ecosystem to other hubs and rallies. Let's look at this mother-daughter tea party special event. As you can see, you have all of the information relating to this event on one page, and it looks a lot different from the quick calendar event. You'll notice for the special event that you can add a banner image, you can add the title and date of the event, you can add a description underneath. This here says, "We are so excited about this lovely event. Please remember to add this event to your personal Rallyhood calendar. Read over the attached documents for more information, RSVP early, and see you all there." We've also included a refund policy. We have a get shareable link, which is an option if you set the event during creation to be publicly accessible. We have the register and express interest buttons. Express interest here, register. You'll notice that we can offer multiple ticket types and pricing tiers. Under cost, you'll see the date and time again on the right. This also includes a button here that you can add to your personal calendar. The registration deadline underneath. The location is the address to the event, along with the map. We have integrated with maps to pinpoint the event location. This is a great feature, and is also nice to know that the information is secure within your rally rather than posted publicly on the internet for security of the participants, especially if it's a girl event. Below the map, you'll notice the multiple attachments that can be shared with various file types. This can come in handy for including a flyer, emergency contact form, agenda, menu, etc. And back to the right, you'll see the event organizer's contact information, name, email, and phone number. Let's go back to our special events. Now I will show you how to create a special event. In the corner here, you can see the plus sign that says New. Let's click on that. Here you will have prompts to let you know where to enter your details, such as title, location, address, meeting link, such as your Zoom link, meeting password, your description. I will start adding in some details. We're going to do daddy-daughter dance. Location, we can do Winter Springs, Florida. You can add in an address. I'm going to do 123 Florida Lane. Meeting link, if you have your Zoom, again, your password, description, come join us for a wonderful evening dancing with your precious girls. We have multiple options here. We can make this bold, we can italicize, we can underline, we can add ordered lists, we can change color text. So I am going to go with a girly color, and let's go with that. And we can do background colors, we can add in emojis, undo. If you don't like what you put in, you can redo, add images, links, align to the left, you can center, align to the right, or you can align justify. So there we go. Looks so pretty. Down here, we have the option to add your date. So let's do July 29th. And I'm going to customize with a time. We'll do 5 p.m., 5 to 8. You also have the option to make it an all-day event if you'd like. And you can create multi-day events. So you can do, you can click on this event has multiple dates, and here you can add your additional dates. Here's the field for the event organizer, their name, first name, last name, organizer email. I will insert my information, Danielle, Santiago, and my phone number. That's me. And it automatically put in my email because I'm already in the system, so that's wonderful. And if this is a draft, you can click save, or if you're ready to move on to the next section, you click next. Next, you have your images and attachments. You can click on new photo. I'm going to insert a photo from my computer. I will probably need to have to resize that, but for now it will work. And let's save the photo. I'm not going to be putting an attachment, but if you wish to, you can do so. Now you see that it's drafted, so I am going to go in and edit. And I'm going to go back to my images and attachments. And as I was saying, you can add an attachment here if you wish. I'm going to move on to the next section. Here's where you can add your tickets. You're going to click on add ticket. This is where you can create your event tickets. I am going to do an event ticket for a girl, and that will cost $6. I'm going to include the fee options and save. And then daddy ticket. We'll do the same, available 40. You can choose any amount you wish. We're going to do daddy tickets at $12, include in the price, and always be sure to save. If you are charging a fee for tickets, we have integrated with the third-party application Stripe to manage the transaction process through our payment tool. Stripe is leveraged by a number of Fortune 1000 technology companies and has a PCI Level 1 security, so your information and your attendees' information is secure. Like most money transaction applications, there are fees. Rallyhood event organizers will need to take this into consideration. We are very transparent with these fees. Please refer to our Stripe tutorial video. When choosing adding fees at checkout, this will add all payment processing fees to the payer or buyer for each ticket and will show you a breakdown of the ticket price to the payer or buyer and not to the seller or the organization. If you choose to include it in the price, this will add all payment processing fees to the seller or the organization and not to the payer or buyer for the ticket price. Below there, you can request additional information from applicants, such as food allergies or preferences, in up to 10 separate fields. You can put it into the box and you can add additional fields by pressing the plus sign. Customize, or you can get rid of it. You can add your registration deadline, followed by your refund policy. I'm going to do no refunds. Registration deadline, we're going to go with the 19th. Next, you have additional settings. You can show the names of registrants, which will show who's attending. Click on yes or no. Adding sales tax. You can turn on a wait list if the events are full. This is if you anticipate high registration. You can enable express interest button. This is for those who aren't yet ready to commit to registering. The event creator can then send a gentle reminder email to just those people before registration closes. And you can allow people outside of Rallyhood to access this page and register for the event, so that would make it public. If you have any questions about these settings, you can click on the question mark and it will give you a little bit more details. I'm going to click on next. And here you're going to set up your payment information. If you have an existing payment account, you can scroll down under the drop down and click on your name, or you can click on Stripe and you can add a Stripe account. Be sure that you are using your troop or service unit banking account, please, not your personal accounts. Very, very important. Additionally, if you're hosting a free event, but you want to utilize the registration details in a special event format, enter 0 for your ticket price. Then you will be prompted to skip the payment option section and move to the final step, which is publish. Let's go to next and go to publish. Now from here, you can leave it in draft mode to come back to later. You can make it active or you can archive it. So you can choose either of those 3. And you can also duplicate it. For instance, if it's an annual event and you want to recreate it at some point, then you have the option to do so, or you can delete it. I'm going to make it active and I'm going to save. And now you can see my created special event. Let's go back to our special events. I'm going to take you back into Mother-Daughter Tea Party, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when you click register and express interest buttons. So express interest, let's click on that. The express interest button is for those who are not yet ready to register but want to consider the event. Maybe they need to check their calendar, maybe they need to wait until payday to register, or they want to make sure that their troop is going. They can click the express interest button, and it's a great tool for admins who can plan to connect those who have clicked that button and maybe the day before registration closes to send a gentle reminder and get higher attendance. Next, we are going to click on register. When someone registers for the event, you will see it's a quick, easy process to select how many tickets, add a note, any additional information, and click on checkout. Let's go back to the main page of our special events. From here, navigating back to your dashboard is really simple. Locate the Rallyhood icon in the left-hand corner and click on it. And now you're back at your Rallyhood dashboard. Thank you again for watching this Rallyhood tutorial video. We hope that you found this information to be super helpful in your experience on Rallyhood. If you have any tech troubleshooting questions about our Rallyhood desktop or mobile app experience, please feel free to contact us at support@rallyhood.com.